Is the Digit Icon Guaranteed Savings Plan Whole Life Variant truly a lifetime solution for financial security, or are there smarter investment paths you should explore? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. So before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So this is a non-linked, non-participating individual life insurance savings plan. And some of the key features of the policy are: it provides you with strong financial protection for your family through a robust life insurance component. It offers fixed guaranteed returns that remain unaffected by market fluctuations. In case of accidental death, the nominee receives twice the sum assured, strengthening the safety net, and the premiums qualify for deductions under Section 80C, and payouts enjoy exemptions under Section 10(10)(d) of the Income Tax Act, and it ensures a steady income flow throughout the chosen payout period. So there are 4 plan variants under the plan: lump sum benefit, income plus lump sum benefit, whole life benefit. In this video, we are going to focus on the whole life benefit variant. So some of the key benefits of the policy are death benefit, survival benefit, and maturity benefit. So now let us take a look at the advantages as well. So the advantages are: there are additional health related advantages provided for senior citizens. It encourages and rewards maintaining a healthy lifestyle. You can use all or part of the survival benefit to offset future premiums when they become due. It allows you to receive the guaranteed income on a chosen special date, not just on the policy anniversary. These are some of the advantages. However, there are some disadvantages as well, like the whole life variant does not provide policy continuance benefits or a family income benefit. Although this policy offers guaranteed payouts, the overall returns remain relatively low, and the life cover may not be adequate to fully address your long-term financial requirements. So these are some of the disadvantages that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. If you want to know more about certain aspects of the policy in detail, you can refer to the policy brochure as well. So now, as we have a basic idea about this policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure to help us make a more informed decision. So here, for example purpose, let us assume that a 50-year-old male has chosen to invest in this policy in the whole life variant with a sum assured of 10 lakhs. The policy term is 50 years with a premium payment term of 10 years and an annual premium of 1 lakh. After completing the premium payment term, he begins receiving an annual guaranteed income of 76,977 rupees for life. A maturity benefit of 10 lakhs is payable at the end of the policy term. Assuming a life expectancy of 85 years, the overall internal rate of return (IRR) works out to be 5.15% as per the policy's maturity calculator. So despite offering lifetime income, this policy delivers low returns, which significantly reduces its attractiveness. Moreover, the guaranteed income is fixed and does not factor in inflation, resulting in declining purchasing power over time. The insurance component is also limited. Life cover until age 99 is much more than what most individuals require, and the sum assured is insufficient to meet meaningful financial goals. In summary, both the investment and the insurance components of the Digit Icon Guaranteed Savings Whole Life Variant Plan offer limited value, making it an ineffective choice for most investors. So now we know that this policy does not give us the desirable outcome that we need. Let us move on to a comparative analysis, where we are going to take an alternative approach. Instead of combining insurance and investment like in the Digit Icon policy, here we are going to invest in it separately, while still trying to keep same or similar parameters from the previous example to ensure a fair comparison. So here, for life cover purpose, we have taken a pure term life insurance policy with a sum assured of 10 lakhs, which costs us an annual premium of 23,300 rupees for a 20-year term. This leaves you with 76,700 rupees per year to invest for the first 10 years. This amount can be invested in either equity or debt instruments. In this example, it is allocated to an equity mutual fund scheme. After 10 years, the accumulated corpus is moved to an instrument delivering a 7% annual return, enabling regular withdrawals similar to those offered by the Digit Icon policy. So here in this cash flow, the post-tax accumulated corpus after 10 years stands at 14.30 lakhs. When this corpus earns a 7% return, it supports annual withdrawals comparable to the Digit Icon policy while still retaining value. And if you want to know how we have calculated the tax for equity mutual fund, we do have presented a small tabular column on the screen for your easy reference, which you can pause and see. By age 85, the remaining corpus is 29.72 lakhs, almost 3 times the final payout of the digit plan. This strategy yields an IRR of 6.84%. So, if withdrawals are delayed in the initial years, the power of compounding further enhances both the corpus and the eventual IRR. Another key advantage is flexibility. You can adjust withdrawal amounts as your needs change, including increasing them over time to offset inflation's impact. By separating insurance from investment, you achieve better returns, greater control, and a more resilient financial strategy that clearly outperforms the Digit Icon plan. So, what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the Digit Icon guaranteed savings plan whole life variant worth it or not? So, this policy allows you to pay premiums for a limited period and receive income for life. While this may seem attractive for those seeking steady cash flow, a deeper analysis shows that this plan underdelivers in terms of returns, and it also has a high agent commission. Although it provides whole life coverage, the sum assured is too low to meet meaningful financial goals. In personal finance, life cover should be aligned with your responsibilities, future goals, and liabilities, primarily during your working years when protection matters most. The plan's shortcomings include modest returns, inadequate life cover, and a rigid income structure that offers fixed payouts for life, leaving no room to adjust for inflation or evolving financial needs. A more effective strategy is to separate insurance from investment. A pure term insurance policy provides substantial life cover at a reasonable cost, ensuring your family's financial security. Meanwhile, directing your savings into appropriate investment products helps you build a corpus that can support your long term goals and generate flexible and inflation adjusted income. So, choose investments based on your risk profile, time horizon, and financial objectives.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.